Hey, how you guys doing? Sheldon Frost here. Hey, I got three stocks and ETFs. I got you guys to check out. Put on your watch list. Uh, let's get right to it. I ain't gonna hold you up. The first one I got for you is e.l.f. A long term. This is bullish. Check your Do your own research. And check their financials. They break this, so they got very good long term potential. So you check them out. Put 'em on your watch list. My second one is Kroger. Ticker came and talk. Ticker KR. This also is bullish. It's late. I'm tired. So we're gonna do this fast. And then the last one is Vital Farms. You guys in the comments tell me what you think. You guys like this? Subscribe, the like. Long term. Make sure you get some time on this. So, all right. Have a good trading, investing journey. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.